In this tutorial, you will learn to build a SureSpeed with SureForce planting configuration on the InCommand Go display. Building configurations and products are important as planter settings are linked to them. This allows operators to switch between different implements without having to re-enter the settings each time. To begin, tap the planting app on the home screen. Since we do not have any configurations already listed in the dropdown, we will tap the green plus to add a new one. We will use the Case Magnum 380 tractor that is entered into the display. Tap the next arrow to select an implement. Tap the green plus to create a new implement. For the planter seeder type, we will select Planter and tap the next arrow. Use the keyboard to enter the make and model of the planter. For this example, we will use a John Deere 1760 12-row 30-inch planter. Once you have the make and model entered, tap the next arrow. Next, we will select the implement attachment type. The John Deere 1760 attaches to the rear drawbar. Tap the next arrow. On the seed rate controller screen, tap the green plus to create a new controller. In the device drop-down, select Seed Command, and in the device type drop-down, select SureSpeed. If your planter is equipped with SureDrive electric drives, you would just need to select SureDrive instead. Once those are selected, tap the next arrow. Enter a name for the controller. For this example, we will leave the name as the default and tap the green check. Now that our controller is built, we will verify it is the selected seed rate controller and tap the next arrow. This planter does not have split rows, so we will leave that unchecked. Tap the downforce drop-down and select SureForce from the list. The rows we will decrease to 12, and the row spacing we will leave at 30. Tap the next arrow. Next, we need to enter the number of implement sections. For this example, we will leave that at 12 so that each row is its own swath section. Tap the next arrow. Tap the calculator to enter the distance from the hitch to where the seed drops out of the seed tube. Once the distance is entered, tap the next arrow. The application channel screen is used if there is a liquid or granular controller on the planter. For this example, we do not have an application controller on the planter, so we will tap the next arrow. The implement name will default to the entered make and model. For this example, we will leave it as the default. If you have multiple planters of the same make and model on the operation, you will want to edit the name on each to make them unique. Tap the green check to return to the implement selection screen. Verify the correct implement is selected and tap the next arrow. If you have a multiple product unlock in the display, it will prompt you for the planting method. Selecting single variety will allow you to only have one target rate across the entire planter and map one variety at a time. Tap the drop-down. 2 and 3 variety splits will allow you to divide the planter up to map 2 or 3 varieties and have 2 or 3 different rates at one time. For this example, we will select 2 variety split, as we might do a hybrid comparison in the same field. Tap 2 variety split and then tap the next arrow. Enter the number of sections for each variety split. To edit the number of sections, tap the planter side you would like to edit, then tap the calculator. We will split our planter in half with 6 sections on both sides. Tap the next arrow. Verify the primary speed source is set to display GPS, then tap the next arrow. The configuration name will default to the vehicle name and implement name. For this example, we will leave it as the default. Tap the green check to complete the configuration. You will now be able to build a SureDrive or SureSpeed and SureForce configuration on the InCommand Go display. For more information on setup and settings, please refer to the Operator's Manual on the Ag Leader Knowledgebase. If you would like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.